Okay, so this talk was given by me and Marion in Germany, and Thomas, I guess, to do some version here. So now we're going to explain what we did in Germany in a nice way. And Guy will join me.
What? So agenda, which we have nothing to show. Okay, so it's basically a tool that Moti and Marion wrote. We're going to present it. I'm not really sure what the slides are here, but I'm going to try and just do it. They try to find vulnerabilities, they want to automate the process, and they have a really simple approach, which seems cool. That's it. So the approach is basically to look at patches which are in different OSs. So if you have a patch in Windows 8 and you have a patch in Windows 7, you look at the patches and you see if something got patched. So in this case, we see that in Windows 8 they added the ulong mal function, and the Windows 7 doesn't have it, so there could be some integer overflow over here. That's the same, okay, we have nothing here to show, so that's the same code. I'm not really sure why Moti added it, so it's still here. They basically have a set of functions which they try to look and see if they appear in new patches or older ones, and see if they exist, and if they don't exist in the older version, it might be vulnerable. There are basically 130 ones, that's right? These are some of them. Take a look, it might be interesting. So the approach is basically to take the patches, to decompile them using IDA, parse them inside a database, and diff them. And if you see that some function, some safe function was added, there might be some vulnerability if it lacks in the other one. And now the interesting part.
Okay, so this is actually very interesting. It works, the tool works. It was a very nice command line tool. Everything was perfectly. And then Marion says, I want to write a GUI. So I said, hey, if she wants to write it, she can write it, you know? So this is what happened. Look, this is what I go to my email. This is the tool. You have no clue how many buttons there is and what to play first. I was shocked immediately, so I emailed her this. So basically I said to her, what's wrong with this? So she suggests to change the colors. That was the best solution. Then I was like, it's not gonna work. No, but really, she is trying for 15 minutes to explain to me which button to press first, and she said it by documentation, she'll choose the colors. Anyway, it's disaster. But the result works. So it's actually the tool works. She did a very good job. And you can see here now how you can basically take any driver in Windows 7 and 8, and it gives you a nice list. And by a database, you can check what kind of signatures and safe function were added in Windows 8, but were missing in Windows 7. And if you do these diffs only in the drivers, you can find some vulnerability that you can exploit Windows 7, but not Windows 8. So that was all the talk about. Thank you.